101 of my live podcast. So you're getting to watch. Not sure if it's streaming. Check my YouTube, make sure it's going.
It starts to add up, but I don't want to overwhelm you. What I want to just kind of share with you today is that if you've seen my videos online for the last few years, I've been teaching people how to improve their labor-based income, how to start a business, how to start a social media marketing agency, how to do e-commerce, how to become a consultant.
Today is a wealth day, so we're going to be training on wealth. 3 things today. Number 1, wealth. Number 2, your practical skills, so the P part of your personality. And then the third thing we're going to be doing, what's up Instagram? How to spot money making $1 million opportunities everywhere. Going to give some money away. I'm going to give some Beats by Dre. Probably give a iPad away during this talk. First thing that I'd like you to remember is that almost everything you ever heard about money isn't true. So if you want to make money, you got to reprogram your brain a little bit. The first way that I would reprogram my brain is remember when people, you might have heard, depending on the religion you grew up in, that money is the root of all evil. But if you really think hard about money and you look at statistics around the world, wherever there's poverty, that's where there's the most crime, the most injustice. That's been proven over and over again. So on this first concept of wealth, if you can really get in your brain that if you can use wealth correctly, you'll do a lot of good in the world. This will free you up from guilt trip, self-destruction. It'll keep you from the path that most people go on, which is to just make enough money that they can provide for themselves, but they can't help other people. So that's the number one. Here in my garage, just bought this new Lamborghini here. It's fun to drive up here in the Hollywood Hills. But you know what I like a lot more than materialistic things? Knowledge.